Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel with another interesting service. This Hitachi Solana 50 came in, customer said, guess what? I lent it out to a friend and instead of putting 91 gasoline, they put diesel fuel inside and filled it up to the top, to the rim, you guys, with diesel fuel. So of course it's not gonna start any longer. He brought it in and says, hey, help me. And I'll throw you guys out some tips on what we did. We're not done with it yet, but should be buttoning it up soon. So, of course, we had to siphon out twice the gas from it. So first, initially, the diesel fuel, put some fresh gasoline in it, and then drained it out and then put some additional gasoline in it. Again, 91, flushed it out, flushed out also the fuel line on here as well. Put a brand new spark plug in there. And then we did clean out the carb. We're still trying to see if we could save this carburetor or not. Not sure yet. But if not, then we just put a new carburetor in it. So we did clean it out with some carb cleaner. But you guys, keep in mind, if you lend this out to anybody and they're not familiar with scooters or gasoline, this friend actually was not familiar with the different types of gasoline for whatever reason or not, and put diesel fuel in this. So interesting service. Should have it done soon, all buttoned up, ready to go. Again, did a good flushing on the gas tank, fuel lines, as well as cleaning out the carburetor. Brand new spark plug, of course, has to be installed on it. It takes the NGK. We use the NGK brand CR7HSA. All right, guys, until the next clip. Okay, we're back, you guys. So Marcus is here helping me out. So we're showing it all back up. This is the scooter, as mentioned. A customer's friend put diesel fuel in it, so he flushed out the tank twice, fuel lines as well. Marcus, he removed the carburetor and removed the bowl in the bottom and cleaned the main jet and pilot jet and flushed out the entire carburetor, flushed out the fuel line. Brand new spark plug, cleaned the spark plug numerous times as we tried to start it. And as you can see, it's not blowing out the black smoke. It was really like a smokestack, you guys. So it looks like we did our job, as well as you cleaned out that air filter, right, Marcus? Cleaned out the air filter as well. That was required on that. So, got it back running. Any tips there, Marcus, on anybody? I mean, putting diesel fuel in a 4-stroke gasoline scooter. What do you think of that?
You shouldn't be operating a vehicle if you do something like that.
Okay, all right. So there you go. There's a tip from Marcus over here, you guys. So hope all is well. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.